In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a/B testing in HubSpot. First, you'll need to log into HubSpot. This is the gateway to all your marketing tools. Once you enter your credentials, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your marketing campaigns, analytics, and more. This initial step is crucial because it ensures you have access to the tools you need for a/B testing. Remember, a smooth login leads to a more efficient workflow. Next, go to Marketing and then select Email. This section is where you'll manage all your email campaigns. You'll see options to create new emails, view drafts, and analyze past performances. By navigating here, you are positioning yourself to utilize one of the most powerful features in HubSpot. A/B testing can significantly enhance your email marketing effectiveness, so make sure you're fully in the right section before proceeding. From there, you can create a new marketing email or open an existing draft. If you choose to create a new email, you will be prompted to select a template. If you open an existing draft, take a moment to review it. This is your opportunity to refine your content before diving into the A/B test. It's important to know that starting with an engaging email will set the foundation for your test. A well-crafted email can lead to higher engagement rates. Once your email is ready, click on Create a/B test or Run a/B test. This action opens up the A/B testing options. A/B testing allows you to compare two versions of your email to see which performs better. By clicking on this option, you are taking a significant step toward optimizing your email campaigns. This feature is pivotal because it enables data-driven decisions, ultimately enhancing your marketing strategies. Now it's time to create version B. You will be working on a duplicate of your original email. This is where the magic happens. You will modify one element in version B to test it effectively against the original. The changes you make should be specific and intentional. This ensures that you can accurately measure the impact of that single change. Change one element to test, such as the subject line, preview text, email content, call to action, or sender name. Each of these elements plays a significant role in how your audience interacts with your email. For instance, a compelling subject line can dramatically increase open rates. So choose wisely when making changes and remember to focus on one aspect at a time. This approach will yield clearer results. Next, choose the percentage of recipients for each version. You might decide on 50% A and 50% B. This step is essential because it ensures that both versions are sent out to an equal number of recipients. Equal distribution is crucial for obtaining reliable data. By splitting your audience evenly, you can confidently analyze which version performs better without bias. Select the winning metric, such as open rate or click rate. This metric will determine which version is declared the winner. You will want to choose a metric that aligns with your goals. For example, if your aim is to increase engagement, the click rate might be your best option. This decision is important as it guides the direction of your email marketing efforts moving forward. Finally, schedule or send the email. This is the culmination of your hard work. Review all your settings and ensure that everything is in order. Once you hit send or schedule, your A/B test will commence. This step is crucial because it activates your test, allowing you to gather data on performance. You can now sit back and monitor the results, knowing you have set your campaign up for success.